Tong Camry na to, 265,000 pesos lang. Hindi to April Fools. I got you ulit. This is the 2006 Toyota Camry 2.4 automatic. Sa exterior, meron kang fresh original paint, auto-retractable side mirrors, may turn signals dito, Office of the President badge kasi first owner, alam mo na, 16 inches alloy wheels, brand new tires, at dito naman sa harap, projector headlight, fog lamps, at naka-white plate na rin to. Under the hood naman, meron kang 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, VVTi technology, automatic transmission, gasoline guzzler engine. At syempre, Toyota Camry yan, napakatibay niyan, wala na akong kailangan sabihin. At guys, check nyo to, andito pa rin to hanggang ngayon, simula nung nabili ni first owner sa Toyota Alabang. Anyways, dito sa pinakalikod, meron kang LED taillight, may rear sensor, pero wala siyang rear camera. Dito sa trunk, maluwag ang trunk space at kompleto yan ng spare mugs. Walang gulong, kaya spare mug siya, hindi spare tire. At dito sa interior, sobrang tuwan-tuwa ako dito kasi super intact pa talaga lahat. Talaga naalagaan ni first owner kaya na-preserve niya ng ganito yung condition. Meron kang intact na headliner, intact seats, may audio controls ka dito. Analog display with 100,000 kilometers on the clock only. At eto pa guys, super intact ng dashboard niya. Traditional infotainment system, digital climate control, automatic transmission, manual shifting mode, at center console. At dito sa second row, super VIP feels. Maluwag ang leg, shoulder, and headroom, 6 foot ang height ko. Meron kang dalawang air vents dito, dalawang cup holder, at may rear sunshade na rin to. Itong Toyota Camry na to guys, 265,000 pesos lang siya kasi naka-sale tayo this week. Pero after this week, kung hindi siya mabili, balik tayo sa 385,000 pesos na presyo niya. So kung gusto niya yan, don't sleep. Peace out.